Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to hide done items on Monday.com. So, for example, if I'm working on Monday.com and I need to hide some items for the other subordinates to not see those items or for any other reason, just follow this video and in the end, you'll know how to do it. So, the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you'll see that this is the home page and these are the boards that I'm working on. And on the left hand side, you can see other data, other boards and other groups and stuff. So for example, let's open a board right here. So this is the board. There are many columns here, which includes the owner, status, due date, priority, people, clients that are attached, email. So for example, I don't want them to see the email. I don't want the other subordinates to see the email. So what I can do is I can click on hide, and here I can go with email. So email will be hidden just as it is. Now my clients, oh sorry, now the other subordinates of my company, they won't be able to see the email. And I have total authority over the hidden stuff. I can just see it, or the people that I allow, the admins of the board, they can see it. Otherwise, the other subordinates subscribe to this board, they won't be able to see the email at all. So this is how you hide the email. So this is how you hide a done item in Monday.com. Another way to do is through automation. So we can go here and we can add a custom automation, and here we can write when status changes to something, then archive item. So archive is, equal to hide. Archives are those items that are not available to see on the board. They're actually hidden. So you can use hidden as a second word for archive. So another way to hide done items are usually those that have completed their time frame. For example, tasks that you have done. So those are done items. So we can use this automation for them. When status changes to done, then archive them. And if we do this automation, every, I would say, item that has been done will be automatically archived. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.